Hello friends. Now let us have a discussion on a K-map with don't care condition. Now suppose we want to minimize a function f of a, b, c, d with following mean terms like 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 8, 9 and don't care conditions with 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12, 13. Okay, so for this example, we have to draw a 4 variable K map. So let's first draw the 4 variable K map. Okay, this is a 4 variable K map. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And the values in the K map, decimal values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here these are the mean terms. So we have to fill up these mean terms 0, 1, 2, 3, 8 and 9. And these are the don't care. Don't care terms is to be filled up with X, or you can use a D here. Okay, so like this you can also use D here. D or X represents don't care. I am using X. 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 and 13. Now using this don't care condition, if with the help of don't care largest group is possible, then we have to form the largest possible group with the condition that minimum number of groups should be there. So here the largest possible group of 8 cells is possible by including these don't cares. Okay, this is group of 8 ones. So this will represent a bar. Similarly, a largest group of 8 ones is also possible in this way. So here this group, or you can say that this group represents C bar. So the final answer for this function will be C bar, A bar plus C bar. Take another example. Suppose F is equals to F of A, B, C, D is equals to summation M 0, 1, 3 and 5, 7, 8, 13 and 15 with don't care conditions at 2, 10. Okay, so again we have to draw the K-map, 4 variable K-map. Okay, okay, this is a 4 variable K-map A, B, C, D 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. Now here we have to fill one for these mean terms, and these mean terms are 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 13 and 15, and two don't get terms are there at 2 and 10. So here in this case we have to form minimum number of largest possible groups. If possible you can use don't care also. So here in this case one largest group is this one. Okay, another group of 4 cells is this one, another group of 4 cells is this one, okay, and another group of 4 cells is this one, that is considering the corners. So there are 4 groups with 4 cells. So writing the function for each group, first one this one, as for this group B is constant row wise, so B bar, and D is constant column wise, so D bar. For this particular group CD is constant and value will be C bar D. For this particular group, B is constant row wise and D is constant column wise. So B, D, and for this particular group, AB is constant. So A bar, B bar. So the final answer for this function f ABC will be equal to ABCD will be equal to A bar B bar plus B bar D bar plus B D plus C bar D. Okay.